everyone and welcome to Let's Test Drive. This episode we're pitting two iconic Australian cars up against each other, the Holden Commodore SS and the Ford XR6 Turbo. Race 1 will see a VY Commodore SS up against a tuned VX Commodore SS, with the winner then taking on a 500 horsepower Ford BA XR6 Turbo. Let's see how this pans out.
What have you got to that? You got a MAF tune?
Yeah, over the radiator tune, that's it, man.
Wow. Amazing the difference. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go!